Hello, welcome back to Steven's Garage. Today I'm working on this 1990 Ford F-150 and I'm going to be replacing the stock stereo with a nice aftermarket replacement one. Very simple to do. You're not going to need many tools. You're just going to need a 9/32 socket. I'm using a driver handle. Stereo adapter kit, link will be in the description. Plastic dash kit, set of crimpers and snips, bunch of butt connectors so you can tie everything together. Very simple to do. You strip it, insert it, crimp it, pull it, make sure that it's all good. So to start off, you're going to want to pop off this little panel right here, which is just held together with clips. So you just kind of find an edge, pry it right off. Now, you should have 4 screws holding it on. I only have 2. So you're going to want to undo that. This guy. The dash is a bit cracked right up there. It's not good. Pull that out. There you go. Let me pull the stereo out. I'm going to disconnect radio antenna. It's difficult to do one-handed. Plug 1 and 2. There you go. So that's the old stereo. So on the dash kit, you're gonna have a couple tabs that you're gonna need to cut off, which you refer to the diagram as to which ones. To get slided in, make sure everything's all good to go, tighten the screws down. And then I've already plugged in the harness, and I just plugged in my radio just to make sure that everything's all wired up correctly. Everything works, everything's perfect. So I'm gonna get all this put back together. Okay, so here I got everything back together, got this guy screwed down, dash put in, everything works. There you have it. Thank you for watching.